Houston, Texas, it's week 8 of the NFL. It's a good matchup today as the 3-3 Oakland Raiders take on the 4-3 Texans.
It's a real feeling, man. I went from working in the stadium to playing on the field, man. It's crazy. Let's go, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Lay it all on the line, fellas. Let's get it done. Raiders on 3, Raiders on me. 1, 2, 3, Raiders.
All right, Mullen's with him. They're throwing to him over on that side. Almost intercepted by Mullen. He jumped that route beautifully.
That's the way to jump it. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Oh, I thought he picked that. Hey, nice job, Carl.
Let's go 4. Our drive.
Carr in the gun. Perfect snap. Has time. Slant. Complete. Midfield. 45. Nothing but daylight. 25. 20. Hunter Renfrow. Touchdown. Raiders. 65 yards. Hunter Renfrow's first touchdown in the National Football League.
Ah, let's go. Hey, Renfrow.
Hey, I forgot the ball tag gave it to me. I threw it to the ref. Nice job, bro. So proud of you.
Watson looks back to the right. Got a man wide open. Touchdown. Duke Johnson.
Nice job, Ty here. Hey, bend don't break, baby. Bend don't break.
10. Here's Jacobs trying the right side. Gets around Watt. There goes Jacobs. Carr completes it to Zay Jones. 1st and goal for the Raiders. 2nd and goal. Carr keeps it. There's Waller. Waller angling for the end zone. Lunges, and he's in. Touchdown, Raiders. 3rd touchdown of the season, and the Raiders regain the lead. For Derek Carr and Oakland, 2nd touchdown pass today for Carr.
And the feel that you have in the eyeball test, you're watching the Raiders defensive line win. Right now, the Texans, maybe they made some adjustments at halftime. They'll have to do a better job protecting Deshaun Watson.
Carr just gets it off. Pressure coming from Merciless. Carr throws on the run. Wide open Williams. Williams at the 10. He'll walk it in. Touchdown Raiders. And Tyrell Williams now has a touchdown in all 5 of his games played this year. Texans were down 21-13. Deshaun Watson has put on an incredible performance here in the 4th quarter. Was able to complete that last pass to Darren Fells, and now all the Texans have to do, take 3 knees, and they're going to walk out with their 5th win of the season.
Really proud of our young players. That doesn't mean we're a finished product. We want to win some of these tight games. So we'll continue to work hard, and we know the Lions are another team coming off a big win today. They'll be a handful, but we got to get better in all 3 phases.